Alright, so today we will be looking at wrestlers from India other than the Great Khali and Jinder Mahal and a history with WWE. Before going into this list, a word of caution to the viewers. There is a difference between Indian born wrestlers and Indian origin wrestlers. There are a very few Indian native wrestlers who have been featured in WWE, and most of the wrestlers in this list will be Indian origin wrestlers. With that out of the way, let's get right into our list. If you watch Impact Wrestling, then you probably might know this guy from Desi Hit Squad. Gama Singh, an Indo-Canadian wrestler, was wrestling in the 80s for Vince McMahon in WWF when Vince needed an Indian wrestler to work on Middle Eastern tours. His nephew is Jinder Mahal, who we all know, and apparently, according to Wikipedia, Akam is his brother. I can't confirm the latter though. This guy has some weird history with WWE. He has appeared on WWF television for some years as a wrestler and also as a manager. But when he claimed to have suffered a career-ending injury, he filed a $7 million lawsuit. Can you believe it? $7 million lawsuit, in which he claims that WWE forced him to wrestle in the rain in Puerto Rico. He also accused other wrestlers for calling him a taxi driver, and also said that he was a victim of a stunt in 1999 where his turban was stuffed with garbage. I don't know how much of this is true, but if this has happened, then it's very sad. Akam was a part of the powerhouse tag team, the Authors of Pain, with Razor along with their manager Paul Ellering in NXT. He made his debut in 2016 at NXT TakeOver The End by attacking the champions Chad Gable and Jason Jordan. Akam and Razor won the Dusty Rhodes Tag Team Classic and subsequently the NXT Tag Team Championships with the legendary Paul Ellering by their side. After going to the main roster, Akam and Razor won the Raw Tag Team Championships once, but injuries just hurt their run big time. Razor first got injured and then Akam got injured as well. After recovering from the injuries, both of them were quietly released from WWE. Rinku Singh is just a rags to riches story. He participated in a reality TV show named $1 Million Arm, where the idea was to pick the best Indian baseball pitcher. He won that show and traveled to the US and signed to Pittsburgh Pirates. His story has been well documented in a movie as well, which is named as $1 Million Arm. Currently, he is in NXT along with his partner Saurav. Saurav is a TV celebrity star in India and had portrayed a strong and important character of Bhim in the famous TV show called Mahabharat. Rinku and Saurav made their TV debut in NXT and were supposedly getting a major push, but Saurav accidentally posted Keith Lee's victory at NXT Great American Bash a week before because that show was taped a week before. Ever since that incident, Saurav and Rinku have not been featured on NXT television, which is actually very sad because Triple H had said that it's just an accident and it won't occur again. So let's see when they come back, and I hope they would make a great tag team. Kavita Devi is the first Indian woman wrestler ever to be signed by WWE. Kavita Devi has signed a developmental deal with WWE NXT in 2017. She wrestled her first match in the Mae Young Classic against Dakota Kai in 2017. She also faced a returning Caitlyn in the first round of 2018's Mae Young Classic, and damn, Caitlyn looked good that match, and so did Kavita Devi. She has been training in the Performance Center and we expect her to make her NXT debut in the near future. Probably NXT India is a sure thing for Kavita Devi. Ginny is an English professional wrestler of an Indian descent. She has wrestled her way into the WWE by working hard in the independent circuit, and she signed a WWE contract in 2018 and has been a prominent figure in the women's division of NXT UK. Jeet Rama is the second wrestler along with Kishan Raftar to be signed from WWE after the Great Khali, second Indian born wrestler. He has signed with the WWE in 2015 under the developmental contract and has been mostly wrestling in NXT live events as a singles wrestler and also by teaming up with Kishan Raftar. While Jeet Rama is still with WWE, expecting to make an appearance in NXT India, Kishan Raftar was released from WWE in 2018. Mahabali Shera broke into the wrestling business in TNA's Ring Ka King promotion in India. TNA was very impressed with his performance in India and signed him to a deal to wrestle on the main Impact show in the US. He signed to WWE under a developmental deal in NXT, but he didn't appear on any television shows and wrestled just some live events. He left NXT and joined Impact again in 2019. Lakshmikant Rajput, Sukhvinder Grewal, Shanky Singh. These three wrestlers have been recently signed by WWE from their tryouts in Mumbai and they are expected to make an appearance in NXT India's brand. Lakshmikant Rajput has been given the name Guru Raj, Shanky Singh has been given the name Dilsher Shanky, and Sukhvinder Grewal has been given the name Giant Zanjeer, all proper Bollywood style names. Alright. All these three wrestlers are expected to make an appearance in the NXT India brand, so let's see what happens. So that's the list of Indian wrestlers, both the Indian descent wrestlers and also the native Indian wrestlers who have featured and were with WWE. So if you like this video, hit that like button if possible and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.